Welcome to Albershi News. I am Ketaram. Up to the headlines. St. Albert's College, Ernakulam celebrates World Ozone Day. A webinar was conducted by Department of Commerce of St. Albert's College about aesthetic interview skills. A creative workshop was hosted by Department of Chemistry and Research Center. A webinar was conducted by Research Department of Fisheries and Aquaculture of St. Albert's College in connection with World Oyster Day. When the St. Albert's College is completing its 75th year, the college is about for a facelift. Department of Chemistry and Research Center of St. Albert's College hosted a palm pen making workshop in collaboration with Green Initiative Committee. Dr. Shiniji Benjamin was the resource person of the workshop. Department of Commerce and Research Center of St. Albert's College celebrated World Ozone Day in collaboration with Madhrubhumi Seed Club of St. Agnes High School on 16 September 2021. Department of Renewable Energy of St. Albert's College conducted O3 and intercollegiate competition as a part of World Ozone Day. An intercollegiate program was conducted as a part of spreading awareness about Ozone Day. 3 rounds of competitions were organized. Caption writing, word game, short note writing were the competition for the day. Jigyasa of Arya PG College, Panipat bagged the first place. Shibinsha of BSc Mathematics of St. Albert's College won second place. And third place was won by Catherine Nayoni of BVOC Travel and Tourism. Air Rescue and NCC of Ernakulam St. Albert's College conducted a quiz competition in connection with World Ozone Day. The interdepartmental quiz competition was conducted by students from various departments actively participated in the program. Haydn Anthony of BSc Mathematics bagged the first place. Sini Thomas of BCom Taxation won the second place and Ribin Thomas of BSc Physics won the third place in the competition. Department of Fisheries and Aquaculture of St. Albert's College Kochi conducted a webinar in connection with National Oyster Day. The resource person of the day was Dr. Vidya R. Scientist, Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute, Kochi. Department of Commerce conducted a webinar on aesthetics of interview skills. The topic for the webinar was aesthetics of interview skills. The webinar focused on various stages of interview in a view to the help of students to develop their skills. The resource person of the day was Miss Ashmi N., Assistant Professor of Department of English, Cochin College, Fort Kochi.
See in reality shows, it's actually an elimination round. Okay, and same with the case of a group. Usually, വലിയ companies already our advertisement clear
Albertian News Special Story. The St. Albert's College is completing its 75th year. The college is about to take a facelift. St. Albert's College had a great history of 75 years. The college has become a strong pillar in the education sector with a large student community. During its Platinum Jubilee year, the college is about to have a makeover. Every year, the college is enthusiastic to bring up new job-oriented programs and advanced learning technologies for the students. Along with all this, the college is innovating with new smart classrooms and blocks. Lifts, spacious canteen, more classrooms, and staff rooms are part of the innovation. That's all for this week. Thank you.